Tony, a draw fair result today?
Yeah, I think so. I think both teams had half chances really. They could have nicked it from set pieces, and obviously Greg's header at the end. The keeper's made a really good save from that. But in the main, it's a clean sheet away from home again for us. It's three clean sheets in our last 4 games, and we're starting to be a bit more like our old selves really in terms of consistency.
Fi'n credu bod nhw, fel wedys i yn y gêm diwetha, fi'n credu bod nhw yn safle ffôls hefyd. Ond mae'r gynghrair yn tyn, ac ni'r pigo lan pwynt a llechen lan heddi.
I dweud yn onest, ni'n hapus dy'r pwynt yn y diwedd. Mae'n lle anodd i dod. Os ti'n dweud i dechrau'r gêm, point a clean sheet yn either Cymru i fod yn onest, yeah.
When you look at the table when we lost at Llechen back in whenever that was, September, October, if you'd said then that we'd be, close to the team in 7th and pushing them, then we would have certainly taken that. We managed to, get people back fit and get a bit of consistency in our play. I think our last 7 games, it's only Barry away where we were, beaten well, if I'm honest. Then 3 wins and 3 draws and several clean sheets in that, which is important. You keep a clean sheet, you got more chance of winning games, and that's what we did all last season. It's been tough to adjust this season with the people that we lost last year, but the boys have really picked up in the last 11 games, and that's our aim now. We've got 11 big games left to go to see who can get the 7th, but it's going to be a really tight phase too, especially in the bottom 6. There's a lot of teams who will be vying for that 7th place.
Dal yn y ras I gyrraedd y 6 ucha, gêm ola yn ymwneud Pen-y-Bont sydd yn ambarod, ond falle dim ar y rhediad gorau. Chi'n mynd gyda llawn hyder?
Ni'n mynd na'n gwybod bod ni wedi curo nhw'r blaen lawr yn Pen-y-Bont hefyd. Ni'n gwybod ffordd maen nhw'n ware, a nawr ni gweithio'n galed I sicrhau bod ni'n rhoi pob cyfle I pigo lan 3 pwynt, ond dyw e ddim yn mynd I fod yn rwydd, achos mae chwaraewyr da dyn nhw, a maen nhw'n gwybod sut I reoli gêm, ond nawr ni la I drio cael 3 pwynt anodd a llechen lan eto.